Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Today I want to share with you that a lot of contractors are going to hate me for this, but I got to show you this product. You could use this on your patio, your wood decks, kitchen sinks. You could use it everywhere. But enough of me trying to explain it to you. Watch this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. And something else I forgot to tell you guys, this stuff is really great on your showers. You know how moldy those showers get, man. This stuff will eat mold off of anything. So please like, subscribe, leave me a comment and let me know what products or what projects that you need help with. Until next time, let's keep it clean out there.